hosting anything else next. We're still on our way to Berrien, 1:30 a.m. And the Rosella. Me and Joel filmed before, but not that close. The best look we've got so far. The Rosella. Look at him. So look really cool. Hello. Hello. The pink galah. A little bit bigger. I like how they sharpen they get their beaks to get up, and there's pink galah. Yeah. It's showing you a cocky galah. Hello. Watch this. Hello. 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 He's eating. Before I came up here, he did that. Hello. Nathan. Nathan. Oh, that just made the noise. Yeah, he's fat. How do you guys do it? Look at a better view. Okay, so what are your names? Nathan! 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 Nathan, where are you? Nathan, where are you? Come on, Nathan. Come out. Nathan, come out. What's your name? My name's Nathan. My name's Nathan. My name's Nathan. My name is Nathan. Sorry about this. This is really cool. My name is Nathan. My name is Nathan. My name is Nathan. Come on. My name's Nathan. Hello. What are you doing today? What are you doing today, mister? Dad, I can speak! Guys, in this video.